fresh new kit. Can't wait to build it. It's been a while since I busted open a new kit. Let's get this open. Gonna give it a slice right over here. Take this off. All right, let's go.
Whoa!
What?
I thought this was my kit. I thought I was building it.
What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the RC Retro channel. Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!
I'm here with my daughter Alexis, who's going to put together her first RC kit ever, the TAMIYA Comical Frog. All right.
Wait, Dad, what about your Santa hat?
Oh, right. Sorry, Wally. Wally the elf. That's the best I could do, babe. All right. All right, yeah, she's going to put together her first kit and not only build it, but she's going to paint it too. And before we get started, I just want to thank my buddy Craig, one of the gentlemen I race with, for donating this to the channel. He came up to me at one of our on-road races, said he had a new in-box comical frog, wanted to donate it to the channel, and I was like, absolutely, because I got a perfect idea. I'm going to build it with my daughter. I got to take this thing off my hat. Here, Wally, I'm giving this back to you. And she's going to build it, and it's going to be hers. So let's get building and eventually painting, right?
Yeah. Thank you, Craig.
Alright, so for those of you who've never built a comical before, the entire gearbox with the motor mounted comes already pre-assembled. So this is pretty cool for you. The only issue is, see these little white things in here? Yeah. Those are plastic bushings. Those are very, very cheap and no good for the car and create a lot of friction, and you're going to want to put ball bearings in there. You know what a ball bearing is?
No.
It's something that cheap TAMIYA doesn't often include with their kits, and so we're going to have to crack this open and put some bearings in there.
No, I don't want to do that.
That's not a big deal.
Okay.
Put it in there. No. Put this on first. Line up the holes. Oh, that was a perfect one. You know, little jiggles from all the way in. There you go. Good. Down. Nice. See that? There you go.
Yay!
There you go.
I did it. Okay. I didn't do this all. My dad helped me with electronics and the body.
Not in. Yeah.
Called clip. Stuff the middle finger in there.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Haha, yeah, okay. You're wasting my... Now you see how it's splattered like that? That's what you don't want in an RC car. Oh. Go back a little bit more. There, of course, you get all the bubbles out. Go back. Keep going over it. Bring it up. Down. Pull it up. Got it? Cool. Now you can work your thumb across it. And just like that, the comical frog is done. So, how do you think it looks?
I think it looks amazing.
Came out awesome?
Yeah.
Thanks to my little helper over here. So, what'd you like the best, and what didn't you like the least about putting this together?
So the best, I'm probably going to say, is
You have no idea.
Yeah, I have no idea.
What was the worst?
The worst?
Screwing stuff in.
Screwing stuff. Yeah, screwing.
How much easier was it when you had the
Like
the power drill?
Oh, so much better. I didn't realize that my arm got sore.
Your arm got sore from all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. I got you. All right, well, was it fun altogether putting this together?
Yes.
All right, good, because I'm going to retire from the RC Retro channel and you're going to take over.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I'm going to retire and you're going to take over now.
When?
Effective immediately, 2024.
Actually?
Psych! All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we're going to keep our fingers crossed for one of those freaky 50-degree beautiful days so we can get out because the weather is a little cold. But hopefully we'll get one of those days soon, and we'll get out on a baseball field and have some fun with it, and there'll be another video with you driving and me running around like a dope with a GoPro chasing this thing, all right? So on behalf of the RC Retro channel, we wish you a Merry Christmas, a Happy Holiday, and Happy and Healthy
New Year.
Happy and Healthy New Year, that is. All right. Thank you, everyone. Bye.